key itself is consciousness. And the nature of the consciousness is conscious and empty, and you are that. That is within you. You are that. When it's within you, you are that. So after decades and decades of practice, if you're not seeing you are the consciousness, you haven't seen the plain sight truth, isn't it good to ask? Isn't it good to know what went wrong? And again, if you're new, you can avoid all the pitfalls along the way, so you can be, stay on the path and figure out faster. Spiritual journey, figuring out the truth of who you are, is not a lifelong journey. People think that spiritual practice is a lifelong journey. If someone is thinking spirituality is a lifelong journey, then you are putting the meaning to everything. Everything is spiritual. That's why you think spirituality is a lifelong journey. For me, it is not. It is not. If you see consciousness itself is a spirituality, then you have to be conscious. And in that sense, it's a spiritual path now. But it's just a meaning. When you think consciousness is a spirituality, then it's a meaning we are adding into the path. Right now in the world, people see everything is spiritual. Whatever comes from you is a spiritual. People love to label. People love to add or give meaning to everything. And the meaning itself makes people lose sight of the plain sight. The meaning makes everybody to ignore the simplicity. When we start to add flavor, the simplicity is ignored. And that's what happened in the spiritual journey. Because of that, the added flavor made you guys not see the plain sight truth, especially people who have been part of the meditation for decades